Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can download and install OnStream or your PC or a window at Avon 10 app or anyone. So if you have a PC or a laptop and you want to download and install OnStream, so you have to follow all these steps. So first of all, just you have to install OnStream by using Nox Player, as you can see. So in order to install, just first of all, download and install Nox Player. User just simply download the Nox Player emulator from a trusted source and install it on your PC or laptop at your desired location. So once you install Nox Player, just simply download OnStream APK file. You can just use any browser and download APK file of OnStream. So once you install OnStream APK file, you just have to choose one of these two methods. So in first method, open the OnStream APK file using Nox Player and click install. And the second method, launch Nox Player. Click the Add APK button. Select the OnStream APK file that you have downloaded and just install it. So for complete installation, just follow the on-screen instructions and just install the OnStream app by using Nox Player. So this is the way how you can install OnStream in your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching.